Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all doing today? So guys, if you have been looking for a natural way to firm and lift your breast, then today's recipe is exactly what you need. I'm going to show you how to make a super effective breast firming oil using some of the most powerful and time-tested ingredients. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive right in. So this oil is one of my absolute favorites because it works beautifully. It is simple to make and it is rooted in the incredible power of herbs and oils that have been used for centuries. You don't need anything complicated to make this oil. You just need a few key ingredients that work together to firm, hydrate and rejuvenate your skin. Now, the first ingredient on my list is gotu kola oil. Gotu kola oil is our base and it is an absolute powerhouse when it comes to firming and strengthening. Okay, so it is known for boosting collagen production, and this helps to improve elasticity and gives the skin a smoother, lifted look. So the total oil I'm going to be making for this recipe is 100 ml. So this gotu kola oil being my base oil is 100 ml. So I'm just going to go ahead and turn it inside the bowl. The next on my list is Kigelia africana. Kigelia africana powder is a gem from Africa and it has been used in African beauty traditions for ages. It is well known for skin tightening and it is often used in high-end products to tone and refine skin texture, and it is very good for your breast. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and take half teaspoon of Kigelia africana powder and add it to this oil. Okay, you can add more powder if you want, but I'm just going to be using half teaspoon since I'm making just 100 gram of breast firming oil. So the next one is evening primrose. Evening primrose oil is loaded with essential fatty acids that deeply nourish and repair the skin. It is great for improving skin elasticity, and it is also very good for feminine health, and it is good for your breast. Okay, so I'm going to be using this type for this recipe. You can get the other type of evening primrose oil. So I'm going to be adding just 3 of this evening primrose soft gel into this recipe. You can add more or less depending on what you want. And then we have vitamin E oil. Vitamin E is a natural protector. It is rich in antioxidant that sheds your skin from damage while helping to lock in moisture, and aside that, it is very good for breast health. So I'm just going to be adding a little bit into this recipe. Okay, you can check the description box for the measurements of ingredients below. And finally, we have frankincense oil. Frankincense essential oil is a luxurious oil. It smells beautifully and it also has some firming properties that helps to firm the breast and rejuvenate the skin, and it makes your skin to feel smoother and more youthful. Okay, so I'm just going to be adding 2 to 3 drops of frankincense essential oil to our recipe. So after adding in your frankincense essential oil, the next thing you have to do is to go on and give it a mix. You can add more Kigelia powder if you want, because Kigelia is the major ingredient in this recipe. Okay, all the ingredients are important, but Kigelia is the main ingredient. Okay, so give it a proper mix it up together. If you're making a large quantity, use your hand blender, but for me, I'm using this tiny mixer to mix it up. So after mixing it up, you have to put it in a container and keep it in a safe place, in a dark place, for 7 days to infuse properly so that we can get all the beneficial nutrients that we need for breast firming. Okay, now this oil is very effective. You just have to stay consistent and trust the process. The best time to use this oil is when you just finish taking your bath after a warm shower, when your skin is still slightly wet. It makes a whole lot of difference. Okay, simply take a few drops of the oil in your palms and gently massage it onto your breast area in a circular and upward motion. Focus on lifting and firming as you massage. Okay, okay guys, so this is the end of my video for today and I hope you enjoyed it. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button for me, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Until then, have fun. Bye bye.